This is a black hole. It's big, it's mysterious, and it's the universe's way of saying, don't touch that! But since humans are curious little chaos gremlins, of course, someone's gonna fall into it. Today, we ask the scientific question, what happens if you ignore every warning sign in the galaxy and swan dive into one? A black hole starts when a star runs out of fuel, collapses under its own weight, and becomes, well, the universe's ultimate blender. Imagine gravity so intense it crushes atoms, time, and your hopes into one neat cosmic smoothie. Congratulations, that's science. Let's say you're falling toward a black hole. At first, it's fine, peaceful, even. Then you realize time is slowing down. Your body stretches. Your atoms start texting each other, bro, we're not gonna make it. That's because of a cute little thing called spaghettification. It's like yoga, but forever. Once you pass the event horizon, it's over. No escape, no takebacks, not even a customer service line. Light can't leave. Wi-Fi drops instantly. Congratulations, you're now an exclusive member of the Void population. You and everything else that made a bad decision. Deep inside, at the singularity, physics breaks. Einstein's like, nope. Newton's crying, and every law of science calls in sick. You're no longer a person, you're a tragic noodle traveling through infinite math. But hey, look, on the bright side, you've technically become part of the universe's history. Forever. Which is fancy talk for, you're cosmic confetti now. So, what did we learn? If you ever see a black hole, admire it from far, far away. Take a selfie. Maybe send a postcard. But if you fall in, well, at least you'll look cool doing it. Space spaghetti never goes out of style.